So what does the Apple Store use? See these greasy fingerprint marks? A little bit hard to see. Oh yeah, look how dirty that is. You don't want to use Windex, Glass X, or any of those kind of window cleaners. It's not good. If you want to use what the Apple shop uses, they use this guy right here, Whoosh. I have a link of it in my bio. See, it's made specific for the screen. All the Apple Store workers use this. So what you want to do, you want to spray your microfiber cloth. It's a little dirty because I just cleaned my TV in the previous example, but here's this. You want to spray the cloth with the solution, microfiber cloth that it comes with. You just clean it. It's really good. So look at that. All those marks are gone, and then leaves it streak free, fingerprint free, and it's safe for the screens. Doesn't damage it in any way. The best part about it being streak free, you just kind of rub it in there. This is good for your phone, TV, iPads, all the kind of gadgets and screens. And look at that. You know, I'm holding it with one hand trying to clean it, but the streaks are gone, and it's like it's brand new, shiny. Bling bling. You can't even see none of the smudges. Look at that. Hope you like it. Definitely recommend buying it. No streaks. It's like it's brand new and safe for the screens. Whoosh. Hope you enjoy. Have a good one.